Updating your billing information on Loom Business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Login. Access your Loom account by entering your credentials on the Loom website. Make sure you are using the account associated with your business subscription. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open your account settings. Step 3. Select Billing. Before filing your refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payment information. Within the billing section, look for the option to update your payment method. Enter your new billing details, including credit card information or other payment options as required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your updates. Once you've completed these steps, your billing information will be updated successfully. Regularly check your account to ensure everything remains accurate.